Do you have a big family or a small family?
Today, you will learn how to talk about your family in English with simple words. Stay with us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Studio, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Paul. Hi, friends.
Today, you will learn how to talk about your family in English.
Yes, we will learn words, sentences, and a mini story.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Let's start with easy family words. Please repeat after us. Mother,
Father,
sister,
brother,
grandmother.
grandfather. Here are fun examples. My mother is kind.
My brother is funny.
I am the funny one in my family.
Really? I thought your dog was funnier.
Hey, that's true. Laughs.
Say it with us. Who is funny in your family?
Write in the comments, my blank is funny.
Now, let's learn how to talk about your family.
I have a big family. I have a small family.
Repeat after us. I have 2 brothers.
I have one sister.
You can also say, this is my mother.
This is my father. Easy, right?
Yes, very easy.
Pause the video and say it aloud. This is my family.
Let's listen to a short conversation.
Imagine Anna and I meet at a cafe.
Hi, Paul. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. How about you?
I have a sister. She loves cooking.
Nice. My brother loves video games.
Simple and real.
You can use this conversation at school, at work, or with new friends.
Answer this. Do you have brothers or sisters? Say it aloud or write it below.
Many learners say brother.
The correct sound is soft. Brother.
Say it with us. Brother.
Good.
Try sister.
Sister.
Excellent.
Let's imagine you meet someone new at work.
They ask, tell me about your family.
You can say, I have a big family. I have 2 sisters. My father is a teacher. My mother loves music.
Wow, Anna, your family sounds cool.
Thank you. Your family is cool too, especially your dog.
Yes, the star of the family. Laughs.
Think of one sentence about your family.
Say it aloud now.
Great job.
Quick quiz.
Ready for a quick quiz?
Yes. Question 1. What do you call your father's father?
Anna pauses.
Answer. Grandfather.
Question 2. How do you say someone who is funny in your family?
My blank is funny.
Question 3. Say, I have one sister. Try it now.
Awesome speaking.
Let's review key words. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather.
And key sentences. I have a big family. I have one sister.
You spoke great English today.
We are proud of you.
Thank you for learning with us today on Daily English Studio.
If you liked this video, click like, subscribe, and share with a friend.
Comment below. How many people are in your family?
We will read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, friends.